Bro, the real reason you suck at saving isn't because you're lazy. It's because your brain is wired to chase quick wins, not long-term goals. But what if I told you we can hack that? Step 1. Trick your brain with micro rewards instead of saving $500 in one go. Save $5 a day and celebrate every time. Tiny wins stack up fast. Step 2. Make saving a game. Set fun challenges like no-spend weekends or compete with a friend. Your dopamine loves a challenge. Step 3. Automate everything. If your savings happen without you thinking, your lazy side can't mess it up. It's like money magic. Step 4. Visualize the reward. Instead of thinking I'm losing $20, imagine future you traveling, investing, or flexing stress-free. That's the real W. At the end of the day, your money isn't just about dollars. It's about control, peace, and building a life you actually love. And these hacks, they make it stupid simple. What if I told you saving money could feel better than spending it? That's not clickbait. It's neuroscience. What's up, guys? I'm Sam, and welcome back to Sam the Finance Channel, where smart money moves start here. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss tips that actually work in real life. And quick disclaimer, this video is for education only, not financial advice. Today, we're breaking down money hacks so easy, your lizard brain will love them. These are the kind of tricks that make saving automatic, investing fun, and money growth feel natural. Stick around till the end, because once you learn these, you'll never look at money the same way again. Let's be real, most of us suck at saving because we're relying on motivation. And motivation always runs out. But what if saving money happened without you lifting a finger? Automation is the ultimate lazy hack. It takes your good intentions and turns them into real results. No willpower needed. No excuses left. Here's the math. People who automate their savings save about 20% more than those who don't. That's not motivation. That's cold, hard math flexing for you. Imagine payday hits and your bills, savings, and investments are already handled, all before you even open your banking app. That's what money peace feels like. Doing it manually is like trying to remember to brush your teeth. Sometimes you'll forget. But automation, it's autopilot. It just happens. No brain power required. So stop saving what's left after you spend. Flip it. Automate your savings first. Then spend what's left. That's how grown-ups play the money game. Here's the thing. Your brain hates losing money. But when the amount is tiny, it doesn't even notice. That's where micro-saving becomes your secret weapon. Think about it. Saving just $5 a day is over $1,800 a year. That's like turning loose change into a whole vacation fund without lifting a finger. And here's the beauty. You'll never miss $3 from a coffee run. But you'll definitely notice that growing vacation fund waiting for you next summer. Most people wait until they have enough to save, but that's backwards. Starting small is exactly how you grow something big. It's kinda like sneaking veggies into a burger. Your brain doesn't even notice, but your future self gets all the benefits. Remember what Robin Sharma said, small daily improvements lead to stunning results. Micro-saving isn't about effort, it's about consistency. Here's a wild money hack. Your brain doesn't treat every dollar the same. It reacts to the story you attach to it when you name your money. It stops being just cash and becomes a mission. Studies show people who name their savings goals are 40% more likely to crush them. That's not luck, it's psychology working in your favor. Think about it. A boring savings account doesn't hype you up, but a 2026 Bali trip or new car fund, that makes you want to save. Generic money doesn't inspire action, but when you give it a name, it becomes something you're chasing. It's like setting a destination instead of just wandering. It's just like a video game. When your quest has a title, suddenly you're locked in and ready to win. Money works the same way. Remember this, goals are dreams with deadlines, so name your money, give it purpose, and watch how much faster you reach your goals. Here's the truth, bro. Your brain loves rewards. That's why we check our phones 100 times a day. So if you make saving money feel like a game, your brain will actually want to do it. Studies show gamified saving apps boost savings by almost 30%. That's not magic. That's psychology. When you feel like you're unlocking levels or earning points. Saving hits way different. Try setting challenges with your friends, like who can save $100 the fastest, or build streaks where you never miss a deposit. That friendly competition keeps your brain hooked. And here's the fun part. Reward yourself when you hit a savings milestone. It could be a small treat, a night out, or even just bragging rights. Rewards keep the motivation alive. Saving can feel boring if it's just numbers on a screen, but turn it into a challenge. And now your dopamine's in the game. Literally, you're no longer saving, you're winning. Like Peter Drucker said, what gets measured gets improved, so track your progress. Gamify your goals, and let that dopamine drive your money moves. We all know how easy it is to blow cash. One tap, and boom, it's gone. But what if the secret to saving more is simply making spending slightly harder? The idea is simple. Build tiny speed bumps before you spend. Just like adding a password or a pause button. These small frictions make you think twice before hitting buy. Try this. Wait 24 hours before buying anything that isn't a necessity. Studies show this one rule alone can slash impulse spending by 25%. Once you do this, you'll realize how much of your spending is just impulse. Most of that must-have stuff doesn't even feel worth it after a day. Think of it like hiding cookies on the top shelf, still possible to reach. But you're less tempted. That tiny inconvenience can save you hundreds. Remember what Benjamin Franklin said, beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship, make spending harder, and your wallet stays afloat. Here's the thing, your brain is wired to chase quick wins and ignore the future. But if you make future you feel real, suddenly saving becomes a mission, not a chore. Think of 35-year-old you, chilling on a beach, not stressed about money. Because 25-year-old you decided to plan ahead. That future version of you is real, and he's counting on you. Studies show people who imagine their future selves save over 60% more. That's not luck, that's neuroscience. Your brain starts treating that future life as real and worth investing in. Most of us think future me will just figure it out. Spoiler, he won't, unless you make moves right now. Future wins are built from present-day decisions. Think of saving like sending a care package to your future self. Every dollar you put away today is like sending future you comfort, freedom, and peace of mind. Like Buffett said, someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Be that someone, your future self will thank you. Real talk, if you wait to save whatever's left at the end of the month, there's never anything left. That's why the smartest move is to pay you first, before rent, before bills, before anything. When you flip the script and save first, you lock in your future before the world takes a piece of it. Think of it as building your safety net before the fall. Stats don't lie. People who make savings their first bill boost their results by over 35%. That's not luck, that's strategy. The truth is, most people pay everyone else first, the landlord, the credit card, the subscriptions, and they end up with nothing. But if you pay you first, you learn to live on what's left. It's just like eating your veggies first. You're fueling what matters before you reach for the junk. Future you will thank present you for it. Like David Box says, the first person you pay each month should be you. Make that your rule, and watch your money grow. So let's recap. Automate it. Go micro. Label your money. Gamify it. Add friction. Visualize future you. Pay yourself first. These hacks work with your brain, not against it. Money isn't about willpower. It's about building systems so simple. Your brain actually enjoys doing them. If you got value from this, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a money glow up. Drop a comment. Which hack are you going to try first? Let's talk in the comments. I read every single one. I'm Sam, and this is Sam the Finance Channel. Smart money moves start here. Take care of your future self. They're counting on you.